Hello, James fam. What's up, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, actually, yesterday was Anastasia's birthday. She's 1, growing up. And Amy was having a sleepover with Kennedy, so she didn't get to celebrate that. So what we did was today we decided to celebrate with Amy that we were going to go to the beach and just have a nice calming day. Everyone is already waiting outside, and we decided that we wanted to go ahead and get ready for the video before we started filming, so that way we could just, no, Amy, get off your brother's head. Yeah, Amy, you're hurting my head. Thank you. So, Malia and Kennedy should be here any minute. Yeah, they should be here any minute now. If you can't see, yeah, they're coming right now. I don't know why they just walk. I don't know why they don't just walk. I mean, they live right across the street from us. Amy, I will, take Anastasia now. Thank you very much. Y'all two go get in the car. Amy, you can sit in the front. Well, Amy, here. We can, hey, Leah.
Hi.
Hi, Auntie Scarlett. Move your cursey behind. Hi, Amy.
No, but don't get back to my car. Hi, Nova.
Alright, so, Leah, we can all fit everyone in the car. And Amy will just, like, have to hold Anastasia. Or do
No, Nova, come on. We just gotta, cause, we need everybody to be buckled up, and we want nobody to be kidnapped.
True.
So
True. Oh, I accidentally got in the car. Anastasia, go ahead, get in the car, baby. Okay. Yeah, you're in the car. Alex, in the car now. I'm going. Jeez. Amy, you can get in the front. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. And, okay, Leah is going to, I'm gonna follow Leah, actually. Her car is really fast, so I'm gonna have to be fast. So, or she has to be slow. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to make a straight line. Because, and she's talking about I drive terrible. Okay. If you don't know, my bestie got a Tesla, y'all. She rich. My bestie got a Tesla. Okay, so we are... Whoa, I'm not gonna crash. I almost didn't crash. Skirt! Okay, we are at the beach right now. I'm about to get Anastasia in her stroller. Anastasia can get in your stroller. Alex, come on, let's go. Okay. I'm about... Okay, can you put me... No, put me in a stroller. Now. I mean, can you put me in a stroller, please, Mommy? Thank you. All right, Amy, can you hold your brother? I don't want her I don't want her greasy chicken hands on my skin.
My hands cleaner than the last time you cleaned your hands was 6 years ago.
I wasn't even born.
Oh,
wait. Alex, I don't know.
You haven't cleaned your hands since you were born.
Okay, I'm gonna go play in the water. Alex, you best wait for us. You know good and well not to do that. Yeah, whatever. Don't care. Okay. Anastasia is learning how to talk. Anastasia, you want to give him a sample? Are you excited to be at the beach? I excited beach. Okay. Good response, but okay, Alex, let me go ahead and smother you in sunscreen. Just, yeah, there you go. Sorry about that. Amy, now, never mind. All right, I'm going to. Okay, Amy, me, and Auntie Leah are gonna go in the water with the little ones. Please, 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 be careful. Girl, you know good and well I was finna say something. You don't get your grown behind in here. Cause you really thought you finna get away with it.
I'm not watching you, so do whatever you want.
Yay! Woo! Mommy, Amy said, never mind, never mind. I'm
about to do a cannonball in this pool.
Amy. Alex, had anyone ever told you, Nova, let me finish your sentence. Has anyone ever told you you gotta weave on? Sir, this is not no weave, and that's why your head's shaped like a piece of paper. How about that?
Emotional damage.
Alex, okay, Nova and Alex, y'all best, okay, first of all, we are not gonna be acting like this because number one, we are here to, Leah, where's Amy? Hold up, wait a minute, Alex, come up here and watch these kids. Me and Auntie Leah are gonna go look for Amy.
Watch number 2.
Where could she be? Is that her over there? Amy! Amy, come here! Amy! Amy, come here. Get on my back. Come on. Come on. Amy, are you okay? What did I tell you about going so far out? You know you're supposed to stay with us.
I went too far out and I got hit by waves and it made me go back and I got water in my nose that started.
Well, come here. You are finna lay on this rug until you can fix that nasty behavior.
I don't know, Noah.
Amy, but you know good and well not to go so far out when we are literally so close to the edge. And I understand, I know, there's other little kids here, and normally I'd let you go out when there's no one here, but you have to stay near us. Okay, you know what? Actually, sit right there. Leah, do you mind watching the little ones while I take Amy out to swim far?
Sure. Come on, Alex. Anastasia, Nova.
Actually, how about, we can all take them out far. We just have to hold on. We just have to hold on to the little ones, like Nova and Anastasia. We can take them out far. Because Alex knows how to swim. And he don't know how to swim. Amy, come on. Amy, come on. We can go out far. But we have...
No, you have to get your butt over here, because no.
Amy, come here. Come on.
You think I'm going to get hit by a wave again?
Amy, come on. You know what? No. Yeah, Leah, right. Not Amy. Alex, Nova, get over here so y'all can go, do your thing. You know, I'm gonna stay right here.
Nova, get your butt over here.
Oh, I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna build sandcastle. Okay.
Come on this town.
Can I please just build a sandcastle?
No, you better build one right next to me, right here. Come here.
But I don't want to.
Come on, Nova.
Coming. Right you behind. Is this good?
Nova, you must really want to go home.
Nova, come here. You know, Nova. Good? Here, you happy now? Amy, come on. Okay, Amy, I'm gonna take you really far out, but you have to promise me you will be careful. Deal?
Okay.
Cause if you drown, I'm not the one finna call the doctor. You gonna have to call the doctor, not me.
How am I gonna call a doctor if I drown?
Best get that phone out your pocket. Okay, is this far out enough?
Yeah, this is far enough.
Alright, I'm gonna drop you, but you have to be careful. See, you can swim. Only in this area, though. And I'm right here if you need me. Ugh. Okay. Nova and Anastasia and whatever her name is, they're over there swimming. We're having a nice time over here. So let that nice time last. Nova, why you coughing like that? Aunt, Mommy, can I go swim with Auntie Leah and Amy?
What?
Can I go swim with Auntie Leah and Amy? I mean, Auntie Scarlett and Amy.
No.
Why? Yeah, I'm big enough. You can take me out there.
They're too far.
No, they're not. They're literally 1 inch from us.
No, they're not. 1 inch from us would be, literally 1 inch away from the town.
Amy, you want to see who can reach the bottom?
Sure.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Touched it! Wait, how about, let's do cartwheel. I'm gonna do a cartwheel. Ready?
Oh, I'm gonna drown if I do that.
I'm not. Let me show you. I'm gonna do cartwheel. Ready? Watch your mama. Okay, ready? Woo! I did cartwheel.
I can't do that. I gotta do back up.
Woo! I just did cartwheel. You missed my cartwheel.
Go on, Nova, because if you ask me one more question,
Pick me up.
you better go get Scar. Come here, Nova. You go back over there. I have to go get them because I cannot pick you up. I am pregnant.
And you pregnant. You fat. You gonna weigh too much and you gonna drown.
Nova, get your butt back over there.
I see your aunt swimming towards us. Amy, stay right there. I'm gonna go to her. Leo, what's the problem?
You need to get your Nova and let her come with you. Because she asked me one more question.
Okay, go watch Amy, please.
Mhm.
Nova, come swim to me. Well, don't swim to me, but, yeah, just come swim to me. Okay. I got this. I can swim. Ready? I just got to hold my breath. Nova, girl, get your behind out that water. I taste. I taste. Nova, now you know good and well you cannot swim. So why would you swim? Because Mommy said I could and Amy said I could. Oh my God. Leah, I got your child. You can go now. Take a look inside your heart. For me. Okay. Thanks, Leah. Yeah. Now, Nova. Excuse me. Nasty. Amy, I have your cousin here. And we finna play nice, right? Y'all wanna go? Amy, do you wanna go farther?
I just got one question. When we gonna go home? Because I'm ready to lay in bed.
Well, we can start heading home now if you want. Or do you want to stay like 1 hour? 1 hour more?
No, I want to stay. Why you gotta ruin everything off
Dang. It's up to us adults, not you guys, because y'all are the children and stay out of grown folks' business. That's what my daddy told me growing up. Now, Leah, what do you want to do?
I think we should go home.
Same. It is getting pretty late, and they have school tomorrow, and they have to take the SC ready tomorrow too.
Yeah, so now we get to bed early today.
Yeah, it's already 5 o'clock. Y'all need to go ahead and get into bed. Y'all, Amy, you know good and well your bedtime is 8:30. Alex's bedtime is 7. No. 7:30. Excuse me. So yeah, we need to go. Oh, Leah, we left Anastasia. You left Anastasia up there.
No, she with Alex. She was fine.
Bro, I swear to God. Alright, James fam, I'm gonna see y'all when we are at the house in our PJs and ready for bed. Alright, James fam, so that is the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know when I post another video. And comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. Also, actually, I'm gonna switch it up. Comment down below, do you like to go to the beach or not? And also, what was your favorite part of this video? Alright, and the James fam, everyone say bye. Bye, James fam. Oh, and Leah went home. Alright, and the James fam, we're out.